Vacuum leakage tester. Here we have filled test desiccator with clean water. Apply some water to wet the O-ring, this will ensure a good vacuum lock. Place the test specimen inside the water. Place the perforated plastic sheet over the test specimen. If the sample still floats on water, then put some additional weights over the plastic sheet, which ensures proper immersion of test specimen in the water. Place top plate of the test desiccator, make sure it fits properly. Make sure that the position of red valve on the desiccator is exactly like this. Let's see how to program test profile. User has to enter details like program number, product name, hold time, test vacuum range, etc. Once enter all the details, click on Save and then Test Mode. Press Start to initiate the test. Vacuum pump will start generating vacuum inside the test desiccator. Because of the vacuum, the test specimen will swell up. And if there is no bubble formation, then there will be no leakage. As soon as desired vacuum reached, the vacuum pump will stop and timer starts. Drop of vacuum by 5% is normal during performing the test. Once set value is achieved, vacuum will release automatically and bring the test desiccator to normal atmospheric pressure. Now you can open the test desiccator and inspect the test specimen. One thing to remember, stream of bubble is the only reason for the leakage. Spreading bubble can come from entrapped air, which should not be considered as leakage.